Hello viewers, I am KHUSBHOO. This video contains a section of idea expansion from Standard 10 State Board. The topic is importance of discipline. Now discipline is a word we have been hearing from the day we were born. What does it mean? It means the ability to control yourself, motivate yourself, stay on the right track and do what is right. It exists in various forms such as perseverance, endurance, restraint, thinking what you do, finishing up the thing you have started. Even though in spite of the obstacles, hurdles, hardships, you carry on and complete the work. That is discipline. It is said by Robert Kiyosaki that discipline is the number one delineating factor between the rich, the middle and the poor. There are several cases of corruption, dowry, assault on women, corruption, several cases. When people march on the road, going for candle march, burning the statues, burning the public property, they behave in a very indisciplined manner. But to make the system work, to prevent the system from the injustice, people behave in indisciplined manner. So does that indiscipline comes under the discipline? At times you have to behave in very indisciplined manner to make the system work. And there is nothing wrong in it. It is said in our Bhagavad Gita कि अगर कुछ बहुत प्योर पाना हो, अगर तुम्हारा गोल बहुत हाया है, बहुत प्योर है, बहुत स्पिरिचुअल है और उसको पाने के लिए आप थोड़ा बहुत गलत आगे पीछे कर लेते हैं तो उसमें कोई बुराई नहीं है. There are many sportsmen and actors and actresses, but Sachin Tendulkar and Amitabh Bachchan stands out separately. Why? Because they are punctual, they are disciplined, they have set their priorities, they have a good time management. Somebody once asked Ratan Tata that what is the first step to success? He replied in the same way as Jeff Bezos has answered, as Bill Gates has answered, and the answer was living a disciplined life. If you live a disciplined life, you automatically work harder. You have priorities set, and that's how you become the disciplined lifestyle owner. We can't bear the sights where policeman comes late at the crime scene, when doctors reach at late time. We cannot bear it. Why? Because indiscipline is something unbearable. If you can't bear it, how can you expect others to bear it for you? It happens during examination. We don't want our mom to come and knock the door that beta wake up, it's your exam day. No, it never happens. Alarm clocks rings automatically, subconsciously. How does it happen? Because you have set your brain in a disciplined manner that it's my exam, I have to wake up by XYZ time, I have to take the revision, I have to crack the exam. That is something disciplined. In this world where whole world is being ruled by the calculations, by the mathematics, by the engineers, you will see that discipline scores a total 100. How? D stands at number 4 position of the alphabetical order, I stands at number 9, S stands at number 19, and this way it scores a complete 100. If you have to achieve the success and if you want to score the 100% of your success, then you should follow the discipline. Time management, setting up your goals, setting up your priorities can make you a winner in a long run. During 90s and 80s, Nokia was a rock star. It was ruling the market. But during that time, people kept on telling Nokia that why only Windows, Windows, Windows. We need something different. We want Android. But what Nokia did, it failed to understand the discipline structure of the market. He did not heed to it. And that's why today it's fighting for its existence in the market. Whereas Microsoft understood what is the demand of the market in a disciplined manner. And now it has captured the market. That's the difference discipline creates. The best speaker, the best motherboard, the best durability at the cheap price, still Nokia is fighting today. That's how discipline has changed the structure of Nokia. It is said by Napoleon Hill that if you can master your own thoughts, what you think, and then act afterward, then you will be a winner. If you cannot control what you think, you won't be able to control your action, and that will make you a failure. It's not eating something you crave. It's about eating the right thing. That is discipline. अनुशासन विपत्ति की पाठशाला में सीखा जाता है. महात्मा गांधी ने ये कहा है. Self-discipline is like remembering what you want. The first and the best victory is to conquer self. Plato has said this thing. So while concluding, I would like to say, when the uneducated birds and beasts knows how to live a regulated life, why can't we human beings know? We are endowed with intelligence and we can live a disciplined life. If you control what you crave, it will make you healthy for a long time. And health is certainly wealth. May the force be with you. Thank you.